Episode 10, Magical Pea.
Hindi pa nagpapagpapagpapag.
Why does it stop growing?
I've run out of magic dew.
What? Without the magic dew, we can't get to the Devil King's castle, can we?
Don't
Para
worry,
maging
there's
successful.
magic dew on the flowers.
Oo,
Dew?
yung
Where
tinanong
is
ko kayo,
it?
sabi ko saan tatang mo, sabi niya naman
Well,
kay Ate
the
Lassie,
dew
pero
comes
wala
out
akong
only at
relasyon.
dawn.
Kasi nag-drug
Then let's
addict
go
po
get
yung
some
tatay
sleep.
ko.
We'll wake up
Tapos
early
yung
in the
nanay niya
morning.
nandito,
Okay.
yung nanay niya daw nag-alaga sa kanila. Tapos yung nanay niya ngayon may asawa na puti.
May kapatid yan.
Oo.
Let's go find the dew
Ano
now.
yan ni Jeremy?
Ay, oo, naku, sabi ko kay Jerry, talagang masakit na ang ulo ko.
I found one drop.
Please lang.
There's also one drop here.
You have to finish something. Kasi mas maganda yan. Okay lang ano, mag-switch na ano. Basta,
We need 3
may
drops of
babalikan
dew.
sila.
3 drops? How many
Dahil
more
JB,
drops
tingnan
should
mo,
we
look at
find?
JB. Si JB,
3!
Don't worry, I'll show you. Let's say it together.
pag-aralin ng
Baby Bus, Magic
Very
Mask, come and help.
Parang pag-upgrade na lang siya.
I don't know kung paano. Kasi,
Kiki and Mew Mew have found 2 drops of dew. So how many more drops do we need?
sabi ni Jess, sabi ni...
2 plus
Ah,
what
antayin
number
lang.
equals 3?
I
got it. 2 plus 1 equals 3.
Yes! So we just need to find one more drop.
Come on, let's go find the last one.
Dalawa, tinanong ko muna. Pagod na ako.
Tapos nabibigyan ni Star yun. Pagkain niya.
Kasi kaya nga yung binibigay ni Star yung pinakain.
Where's the last drop of
Dalawa.
dew?
Oo, siguro hinahanap ni Star yung si Edith.
I found it.
Kasi itong video kayo, parang kasi before the kids.
Uy, ate, alam mo si
Now
Maple
you
ganun
have all
din.
3 drops.
Ganun.
Sprinkle them on the
Tingnan mo
pea.
tayo pag tumatanda ba?
Pakinggan ito.
Ay, promise si Maple kanina. Di ba, grabe si
nakalaro tayo.
Ball, fetch. Naka-walo lang siguro kami, tapos ayaw na niya.
Tulog na.
Oo.
Pero in fairness, ito si
Can we have the food
Rocky,
now?
magaan yung katawan.
No
Kasi
talking.
hindi nakakapaglakad ng malayo. Itong mga to, hindi nangyari na
Ay,
rin.
Don't
sarap
move.
ko nakakakita na to.
Now that's it. If you can keep quiet, I'll make you eat something
Very
delicious.
heavy. Tapos ngayon ha, bahala kang magutom dyan. Talaga yung inaano ko lang talaga yung dog food. Magdadaya naman sila eh. Hindi ko talaga sila binibigyan ng ano.
Ate, sa baba may banyo sila.
Hey?
Tama.
Nya, nya, nya. Nya, 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 nya.
Sa gabi sila maligo, ang tagal. Then minsan,
Fruit salad for you.
minsan di,
Carrots for you.
Gabi na, syempre.
Grilled fish for you
Gabi
too.
na, mamaya na yung bubantog namin yung mga kinakaw.
Ako 10 minutes, 5 minutes, tapos na.
Pinauna namin kung oras, alas 12 na eh.
What you
Wala ka
eating?
nagbabata.
Kaya sa gabi sila
Buti
na.
na lang ako meron akong tubig.
You two have to share the grilled fish.
Ako naman talagang hindi
If you
ako
don't know how
pwede
to share,
yung-
then
hindi
don't
yung
eat.
bigyan ng ano.
I know what to do. I really want to eat all the 5 fish.
Hindi, pero
Sino matagal? Si Chloe or si
We
May?
share.
Si Jeremy naman,
There are
nagsa-cellphone
5,
yan.
so 4 for me and 1 for Hank.
Tutulo yung tubig.
Or 1 for me and 4
Kaya
for
pag
Hank.
ikaw nasusunod, wala
Or
nang kapote.
3 for me and 2 for
Magkanatin
Hank.
kay JB ka na.
Or 2 for me and 3 for Hank.
Dali lang.
You are stronger.
Binibilang
Some more
yung
fish for you. Thank you, Rudolph.
Nagtitipid.
Okay, now time to eat.
May timer.
May time. Hindi, ibig sabihin kasi, I think doon sa, meron total question na.
You dare!
I want to go home.
Maganda yung kasi yun. Meron mo.
Stop your crying, or
Sama na
I'll...
pa ate sa...
What's going on? Huh?
Maganda yung place na activity. Pero yung tinitignan niyang condo, ano rin,
Huh?
maganda rin. Ground floor, ayoko kasi
Huh? What's this?
Owner.
Hmm?
corner siya, 2 bedroom,
Ouch!
tapos 1,000
Red power, blue power, yellow power.
1,000 square feet.
Come out now!
May malaki. Susunod din.
Sabi ko,
Sayo ko sa south side.
So, naging airbed, 2 bedroom na?
How dare you? Red power!
Naging airbed kaya?
Arrgh! What
nag-i-airbed
happened?
pa lang. Pero doon sa tinitingnan niya,
Look at this! What's this all about?
Nag 2 bedroom.
Oo.
Doon.
Nandun pa kami ng loob ng kwan.
Everything, kaya gusto niya
Ah, beautiful flower.
Where are these magic vines
Para consulta mo
from?
kayo pag napunta kayo.
yung airbed, lalo yung vertigo ko, lalo akong binivertigo.